Imagine a weapon that silently melts enemy drones from the sky in seconds. No bullets, no missiles, just a beam of pure energy. This is not science fiction. It's the new reality of warfare, and China claims to be leading the charge. Recent reports reveal a powerful new Chinese laser weapon, capable of turning advanced military tech into molten scrap in minutes. This breakthrough has sent shockwaves through defense circles, hinting at a major shift in global military power. For years, high-energy lasers struggled with overheating, limiting their use in real combat. Now, Chinese scientists say they've cracked the code, a new cooling system that allows continuous firing. This means warships could defend against endless swarms of drones or missiles as long as they have power. The implications are enormous. Lasers can shoot down targets at the speed of light for a fraction of the cost of traditional weapons. The US and others have worked on lasers for decades, but China's recent leap suggests it may have pulled ahead. This isn't just about technology, it's about a new global competition. As China's military strength grows, it's challenging US dominance with next-generation hardware. The new laser is a symbol of that challenge. China isn't just catching up, it's aiming to lead. For Western defense planners, this is a serious concern. The era of laser warfare has begun, and the quiet hum of a laser may soon signal a shift in global power. The world is watching to see how this new capability will be used. The battlefield is changing, fast. The question now, who will control the future of war? High-energy laser weapons focus massive amounts of light onto a tiny spot. Think of a magnifying glass burning paper, but far more powerful. Inside the system, a special material is energized, releasing photons that are amplified and organized into a coherent beam. This beam is directed by lenses and mirrors, concentrating energy onto a target to cause instant, intense heating and destruction. Power is measured in kilowatts. Higher power means faster, more devastating effects. Low-power lasers can blind sensors. High-power ones can burn through steel or detonate explosives. The goal, a hard kill, physically destroying the target. Lasers are appealing because they hit at the speed of light. No need to lead a moving target. Just point and shoot, even at hypersonic missiles. The cost per shot is incredibly low. Just electricity, not million-pound missiles. This makes lasers ideal for countering cheap, numerous threats like drone swarms. Militaries see lasers as a game-changer. Fast, precise, and cost-effective. The technology is finally catching up to the vision. The battlefield is about to get a lot brighter, and a lot more dangerous. Heat has always been the Achilles heel of laser weapons. Powerful beams generate intense waste heat, threatening to damage or distort the system's optics. Older lasers could only fire in short bursts, then needed long cooldowns, impractical for real combat. The Holy Grail, continuous firing without overheating. Chinese scientists now claim they've achieved this with a revolutionary cooling system. Their design uses advanced internal structures and a special gas-blowing technique to actively remove heat as it's generated. The result? Lasers that can fire indefinitely, maintaining sharp, focused beams even during sustained use. This transforms lasers from experimental gadgets into practical, deadly weapons. Warships equipped with such systems could create a continuous defensive shield, shooting down threats without pause. The heat problem, once a showstopper, may finally be solved. This breakthrough marks the transition from concept to battlefield reality. The age of limited, unreliable lasers is over. The era of continuous, unstoppable energy weapons has begun. The implications for warfare are profound. China's new shipborne laser, the LY-1, is being touted as a game-changer for naval defense. With a claimed power output of 180 to 250 kilowatts, it rivals or surpasses America's best deployed systems. The US Navy's Helios system, for comparison, delivers just over 60 kilowatts. Even the US laser weapon system demonstrator tops out at 150 kilowatts. The LY-1's power means faster, more effective destruction of drones and missiles. Unlike US dazzlers like Odin, which only blind sensors, the LY-1 is built for hard kills. China appears ready to deploy this technology now, not just in future prototypes. The race is no longer just about who invents the tech. but who fields it first. The gap between US and Chinese laser capabilities is narrowing, and may be closing fast. The competition for laser supremacy is heating up. Laser weapons aren't just lab experiments, they're already shaping real-world confrontations. In July 2025, Germany accused China of targeting a reconnaissance plane with a military-grade laser near Yemen. The laser endangered the crew, potentially causing blindness and damaging sensitive sensors. Germany lodged a strong diplomatic protest, summoning the Chinese ambassador. China didn't confirm details, but similar incidents have been reported with US and Australian aircraft. These actions show China's willingness to use lasers to assert its presence and test rivals. Laser weapons are now a real, unpredictable threat in international waters. The rules of engagement are changing, fast. High-energy lasers are rewriting the rules of modern warfare. Traditional missile defense is expensive and limited by ammunition. Lasers, powered by electricity, offer virtually unlimited shots at a fraction of the cost. A warship with a laser can fend off endless swarms of drones or missiles. No million-pound interceptors required. The speed of light engagement means instant hits, even on hypersonic targets. This new tech could make ships nearly invincible to certain attacks. Offense and defense strategies will have to adapt. Old tactics may no longer work. Nations will scramble for countermeasures, but the balance of power is shifting. The move from single-use missiles to directed energy is changing the battlefield forever. The future belongs to those who master this technology. The arms race is on. A new arms race is underway, not for tanks or jets, but for dominance in directed energy weapons. The US and China are locked in a high-stakes struggle to develop and deploy the most powerful lasers. America's approach is slow and methodical. China's is fast and aggressive. China's rapid progress, especially with the LY-1 and cooling breakthroughs, is raising alarms in Washington. This competition is mostly hidden, with few rules or treaties to slow it down. The risk: miscalculation, mistrust, and escalation, as seen in recent incidents at sea. Unlike the nuclear arms race, this contest is happening in the shadows. The outcome could reshape global security for decades. China's claims about its new lasers are bold, but unverified. No independent data or public footage confirms the LY-1's true capabilities. The US has been more transparent, releasing test videos and technical details. Without proof, China's announcements may be as much about perception as reality. This uncertainty complicates military planning and accelerates the arms race. The real contest is now about both technology and information. For the West, the challenge is to keep pace, and to see through the fog of propaganda. In this new era, seeing is believing, and the truth may be the most powerful weapon of all.